Hey guys, my name is Marian Hudson. I am a BS in traditional student. I am going to tell you guys a little bit about myself. So a few facts about me. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I have a blended family, and I'm a mother of six, a full-time worker, and a full-time student. And none of that would be possible if it weren't for my husband of 7 years. Someone that I admire is Maya Angelou. She's from my hometown. And every single piece of writing that I've read from her, she seems to stay true to self. She seems to remain honest. Um, and through all of her writing, she's been able to create a connection with people, not just um, women, not just Black people, not just um, people that were in her generation, but to all people. Even if you didn't resonate with every single piece of writing that she authored, I mean, I'm sure you can find something out there that really speaks to you and helps you realize that um, you're not alone or that someone, I mean, she made people feel like she cared about them. She didn't even know them. She uplifted them, she upheld them, she made sure that every person realized that they were worth something. And that to me is amazing. Um, on this next slide, I'm going to show you guys pictures of my kids. So I know some people did pets, and I felt like the most important people in my life, aside from my husband, are my children. And so I decided to show them off. Their names are Jordan, Sebastian, Amelia, Tristan, Rico, and Imani. Thank you all.